All right, guys. 2 weeks ago, I had 30 subscribers and 5 watch hours. Today, I have 33 watch hours and 62 subscribers. But that is not the craziest part. One of my shorts hit 700 plus views, and I didn't even clip it from my long form videos. I made this specifically for shorts. Here is exactly what happened in week 2 and why this changes everything. I will show you the data. Last week, that is week 1, we had 54 subscribers. Today, I'm sitting at 62 this week. That is 8 plus this week. We are having additional 8 subscribers this week. Though slower than the week 1, where we had lost 24. But here is why I am not worried. Watch hours, 16.6 watch hour as at last week. Now we are having 33 watch hour. That's almost doubled again. I am already at 60% of my 30 days goal of 50 watch hour with 2 weeks left. As you can see here, total view last 7 days. Hello guys, if this is your first time of seeing this face or watching this channel, my name is Simple. You're watching Simpleif Tube Lab, where we dedicate all our energy and effort in reviving dead and stroke abandoned YouTube channel. No matter how long the channel has been dead, we will bring it back to life and you begin to get those subscription and views. If this sounds interesting to you, please press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. You will join the experiment automatically. You don't have to pay anytime. You will join the test immediately and follow this video. And this video will take you from our week 1 on how you will turn those your abandoned YouTube channel and begin to get views before this 30 days runs out. Thank you and God bless you. It's where you will have slower growth and your views will be more. Subscribers might be low. There are some weeks you have more subscribers. That is what we are seeing here. Let me break down the dedicated shot versus the clip shot. You know, last week we had what we did last week for our shot was clipping our long form videos. But this week I tried to change some tactics. This week I tested something different. I made original 3 dedicated content created specifically for the short feed. Then when I made this particular shot for the short feed, one thing I did was, it was not that I made a shot that is completely off what we are doing. What I did, I made this particular shot and then I related it to that our first launch video, because that is where the genesis of what we are doing. We are trying to make sure that people watch this our 30 days revival experiment. Then whichever shot that I make, whether clip or direct shot, we are relating it to that launch video. Then as you can see here, our shot 1 got 700 plus views and it brought in 1 subscribers. The shot 2 again brought in 300 plus views and also it brought 1 subscriber. Then the shot 3, as at the time of this particular video, we are having 60 views. Now you may say 1 subscriber for 700 views. It might sound tiny, but this shows that somebody watch the video and find what we are doing interesting and have to subscribe for this particular experiment. Though the other 700 persons that watch, they also will find it interesting. This shows that they have seen the video and they like our experiment. But it's now left for us to find a way to convert them into subscribers. But here is what happened. Behind the scene, you can see behind the scene, these shots are getting thousands of impressions. People are seeing my face, my content, and my channel name for the first time. Then a small percentage click through to my channel. This is very impressive and interesting. This shows that what we are doing is working. Our week 1 launch video is 90 plus views. Then our week 2, the deletion story, let's say 60 plus videos. So as you can see, the strategy is purely working. Our strategy is working. We are not here to hide. We have every other means to say, okay, immediately we hit 50 subscribers, we can now begin to do other things to make sure that we get subscribers. But this is not the essence of this video. It's not the essence of this experiment. This experiment is just to build you. Because if you wake up in the morning and you are doing something pertaining your channel, and you are creating a video pertaining your channel, it's building you. You can imagine giving your channel dedication of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. That is an impressive act you're doing, but you don't know. And you're building yourself. That is the essence. After all that, if you have gotten this our stability, then you will see another tactics of growing quicker. We will now invite them to what we are doing. But for now, we want to groom you and make sure that you are doing things the right way. You are now mastering the art of YouTube, and you're not imbibing it in you, and you're loving it, not just doing it just because you want to chase a fund, you want to chase the money, but you're doing it because it has now become inherent in you. That is what this thing is all about. This is our experiment. I hope you guys are following. Just subscribe if you want to join this test. Subscribe. You are not paying any money. Just press that subscription button. You are in automatically. Whatever we are doing here will be shown to you immediately, and you will follow suit. Here is the big lesson I learned this week. Dedicated shot outperform the clipped shot. That shows that when you make a specific video for the short audience, the fast pacing, the bold test, a clear hook in the first seconds, it wasn't just bonus content from our long form videos. It was designed to stand alone. You know, the difference from this particular shot and the long form shot clips is this. When you clip, you have to, your video, you clip some parts that you think that is important. You clip it and make it 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or as the case may be for the feed, you are having 1 minute. Some clips, you don't even have call to action. You are not expressing exactly what you want the audience to do. In this original short form feed that you made specifically for short form feed, you will see that in that 15 seconds, in that 30 seconds, or 1 minute, you are giving your call to action. You are telling your viewers exactly what you want them to do, and you are explaining exactly, giving them direction. And the video is a standalone shot. It's not a shot that is being clipped from another video for your long form where you have misrepresentation. But this one is directly made for short feed. And anything that is made for short feed, you see your text. When you have text that is from long form videos, you see those texts looking more broad. Sometimes some text will be missing. But in this your short feed, everything is visible for the audience to read. The lesson 2 from this week is that the subscribers growth is not linear. As we are seeing here, these subscribers, you can see that the progression is there. We have 24 the first week, and this week we are having 8. That is an increase. If I had panicked and thought the experiment is falling, I will be wrong. Some weeks are discovery weeks. Lot of views. You can see you have lot of views, fewer subscribers. That is how the growth is. You don't have a straightforward growth every week. And some weeks are conversion weeks. You see, some weeks you have a conversion week. It's now left for us to use this our discovering week to now convert these views. Let me show you where I'm standing on the 30 days goal. You know, our first goal, we say we want to have 100 subscribers in 30 days. And currently we are at 62 subscribers. Then we are needing 38 more in 14 days. That is about 3 subscribers a day. It's very, very achievable if we keep posting. And our second goal, we said we want 50 watch hours from our initial 5 watch hours in this 30 days. And where are we standing right now? Our watch hour today is 33. Now we need 17 more in 14 days. So as you can see here, I am ahead of schedule on watch hour and slightly behind on the subscribers. But I'm not worried. We are not worried. Our experiment is working as planned. Watch hour tells YouTube that people are actually watching my content. Subscribers will follow soon. You see, in as much as our watch hour is growing, the goal here is to be consistent and doing things consistently. It's not infrequent in this YouTube space. Consistent, doing things that is working consistently. All right, what am I changing in week 3? Here are my week 3 plan based on these data. I hope you guys are following. I hope you are not just doing videos. I want to hear somebody that is following this experiment. You don't need to pay any money. What you need to do is just subscribe. Click that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Anytime we post something relating to this our experiment, you will be in immediately. It doesn't take much of your time. 30 minutes a day, you have done the experiment that you need to do and upload it on your channel. I need some testimony from people before we finish the experiment. 1, I'm making more dedicated shots, but this time around, I'm putting a strong call to action at the end to convert those 700 plus views to subscribers. 2, I'm making a long form video showing you exactly how I edited those short forms videos, the tools, the text spacing, the text overlay, everything, the way I did my shots. I will show you exactly how I did those shots, the tools I used in making those shots. This is what we will be showing in our long form video in week 3, because that is a valuable tutorial for my audience. 3, I'm posting another community poll asking what is holding you back from posting shots, and then I will make a video answering the top response. 4, I'm replying to every comment on that 700 plus view shots. Engagements there tells YouTube to keep pushing it to more people. All right, guys, if you're watching this and you're sitting on a small channel, stop overthinking. Post a shot today. Even if it is 15 seconds, you never know the one that will hit 700 plus or 700K plus views for you. Please subscribe if you want to know if I hit the 100 subscribers by day 30. I'm documenting the wins, the flat week, all of it. Also comment on what you want me to change in week 3. The thumbnails, the titles. I promise I will pick the best idea and make a video on it. Alright guys, as promised, week 2 is now in the book. 62 subscribers, 33 watch hours, the 700 plus views, short. That proves that short work for small channel. Week 3 starts tomorrow. Let's see if I can turn those 700 plus and 300 plus views from shorts to subscribers. Thank you and God bless you. Let's see you next week.